Hi guys, here we are at Oster level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Barnaby's going off now. Whenever this... There we go, now. The time is 12:30 on Saturday the 20th of September 2014. And our last train, which is back at Claypole, was the 921s heading north and south again. And I'm actually going to give Andrew a quick phone. So I haven't heard it from him for a couple of days yet. He's not available at the moment. Here we go, we've got an Adelante Grand Central come in. $181.14 to, I presume, Bradford, and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.